How are you?
I'm okay.
You're okay? What seems challenging to you right now?
I've had a really busy and sleep deprived week. Over the weekend, my friend, it was a bunch of us and we were out drinking, and my friend got alcohol poisoning, and so the EMTs from campus came and they called 911 and she was transported to the hospital, and I went with her. So I'm still kind of recovering from that.
That sounds really scary. What were some of the things that you said? You said that you had a hard time sleeping. Was it anxiety, or what was it about that situation that affected you this weekend?
We had the same amount to drink, and so I guess the thought crossed my mind several times, like it could have been me, and like imagining the repercussions of like having to be hospitalized for drinking. Like I can't even, like my parents would hate me. I can't even imagine that.
That would be really difficult. Is there anything about your drinking that you feel any desire to be different right now?
I feel like I'm pretty typical, like I'm 20, I'm in college, it's kind of like the time to drink, like I don't think that I drink any more than the normal college student. I guess like sometimes though when my friends and I joke, we talk about how if we weren't in college, we'd be classified alcoholics. But like we're in college, so it's socially acceptable.
So I'm hearing you say that on the one hand, it's socially acceptable and you feel like it's normal for someone your age. But on the other hand, you are having sleepless nights and your friend had to be hospitalized, and it sounds like you're experiencing some anxiety and maybe a little bit of fear surrounding, if that could have been you.
Yeah. Sometimes I worry that when I graduate, I won't be able to stop drinking the amount that I drink now. And then, like, I'll be an alcoholic. And so,
What does being an alcoholic mean to you?
I guess it just means like drinking every day or like most nights of the week, and drinking excessively, like more than whatever like the proposed amount is, like a drink or two a night. I think it's like drinking more than 2 drinks in an hour. Like my friends and I will take like 5 shots before we go out in like 10 minutes. So like that's probably alcoholism if you are in college. I don't know. Like I'm not a psychologist or something.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you see alcohol's role in your life? 10 being positive and 0 being negative.
If I didn't drink, I feel like I wouldn't have a social life. So in that respect, it's pretty high up there, like a 7. But then like the same with my friend happened, or like sometimes I'll miss class because I'm hungover and I can't stomach going to class. So when it comes to those kinds of things, I'd probably put it at like a 4. So I guess if we average it, it's like a 5.
Okay.